Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Google Sheet on your mobile device. So first thing you have to do is make sure that you already installed the Google Sheet. If you think that you haven't installed those applications yet, you just need to go into the App Store, and after that hold on until you are generated on the home page. Okay, here is the home page, and now the things you have to do is just go into the search button and you just need to type a Google Sheets on the search button. Okay, let's type a Google Sheets. Okay, and after you find it, just go click it. Okay, so if you never install this application on your phone, there will be written here a guide, so you just need to click it and follow all of the instruction that appear on your screen. But here I already have it on my phone, so let's go open the application. So you already know the symbol of the Google Sheets, right? And then you just need to go click and open it. Hold on, and this is the look when you are opening the Google Sheet application on your home device. So to work in Google Sheet on your device, you just need to go click this plus button to create the new documents that you want to have to. Okay, you just need to go click a title, for example, work. Okay, and after that you just need to click done and go access the documents, and your document is ready to filled with all of the information that you have. If you already have the documents, or if someone already sent you the documents, you just need to open it, click the link, and then you will be generated into the documents. For example, I already have one. So after you have it, you just need to explore everything here, and that will be wise if you looking for another specific tutorial related into the Google Sheet on your device. But today this is the way how to use Google Sheet on your device. You just need to go open it, and after that you just need to decide which documents that you want to open, and after that you just need to go back to close it. Or if you want to send back into your friends or another friends, you just need to go click these three small buttons here, and after that it goes share, and you can just add people or groups that you want to invite to work together into your documents, or you can go into the manage access. And that's all the way how to use the Google Sheets on mobile device. If you find that the tutorials today is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.